Hey guys. Playing GTA Online in a public lobby is fun, but sometimes you may face griefers who will try to destroy your supplies, or there might be modders who's trolling around. Things might get really annoying for you if you can't get rid of them. This guide is about how to join in a solo public session. To do that, simply press Alt and Tab together and open the Task Manager. Now go to Performance and then open Resource Monitor. Here from the processes, right-click and suspend GTA 5. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Then, right-click and resume it back. And now when you will enter in the game, you will see that every single player from your session left. Actually, you are the one who left and joined in a solo public lobby. You can now invite your friends and do any supply missions without any interruption.